What's up, everyone? It's your boy Kester's Cars coming in. I think we're gonna pull the swing arm off today. Shot a video last night. I didn't like it because of the lighting. I need to get more lights in here. But we threw a socket on the crank pulley down here, and we got it to turn over. Once it was freed up, I did jump the starter solenoid, and I had to crank with the starter, so that was good. I managed to verify spark. There's no carb on it, so shot starting fluid right down the intake there, and I was able to get it to want to fire off because there's no carb, ton of air. Didn't actually fire off, but I'll throw a drop in the clip from last night here in a second, and you'll see you can hear it wanting to fire over. So we went ahead and ordered a new iron harness. I found out there's another cut in the swing arm over here where they've just fucking electrical tape, who knows, but I'm lucky enough that I've got a welder, a little Harbor Freight special. We're not really good at it, but we're gonna go ahead and try and patch this back together where it's not just hose clamps and electrical tape. Four bolts. Mine are 9/16 nut, 5/8 bolt, and then chocks come off. There's a 3/4 down here. There's 3/4 on both sides. Nope, 3/4 on one. 11/16 on the other. Yep. We'll crank these off, and I should be able to roll the front of this out of the garage. There we go. Now we're cooking. See how heavy this thing is. Oh, she's not too bad. Set her back on there for a second. Push your balance. Watch your toes. And not to hurt anything. Got caught up on these damn brakes. Disconnected them, but I didn't pull them off right. There we go. Now we should be able to wheel her out. Look at that. Butter, boys. Butter. I don't think I'm going to need any hose clamps after this. Oh, look at that. That is minty. Look. You even got it. See? Just don't do it. Don't be that guy. It's not that hard. It's really not. Look at this. Like, I get it, you want to ride, but there's sketchy ways and there's ways that are going to get someone hurt. So, we got some boogers on here. And a snail. Nice. So we got the top two boogered up. It looks, we'll probably go back over them, but they're strong enough for me for now. But what we're doing is we're wedging the hammer here to pick the motor up. I'm assuming from these being broken that it's carried the center bar down in the center. Because there's, let's see if I can do it without, no, I can't, but if you look, this one's to kick out because it's pushed down so far. So we wedged it back up, and I'm gonna try and hold it over like that and tack it in. That'll give us the back to probably factory angle what should be on this. And let's see if we can get some more stuff boogered up. So I get you. I'll be the first to tell you, it doesn't have to look good, it has to work. You get good later, it comes as you work. Learn, practice, learn, practice. I first tell you, ugly shit. I don't do, it's fucking $100 welder. There's boogers, it's not pretty, but guess what? It ain't going nowhere, and it doesn't have hose clamps on it anymore. So just find someone that's got a welder. If you don't have one, if you're buying go-kart projects, I think it was $100 off Amazon. I don't think it was the Harbor Freight one. X-Bull 110. But you gotta start somewhere. I'll show my uglies, show yours. They're not pretty. Grinder and paint makes you the welder you ain't, you know what I mean? But we'll get there a little bit at a time, guys. Just don't be scared. Just get out and do it.